You've heard it 1,000 times, right? If you want to grow, you got to be consistent. You have to upload every single day. It's treated like the absolute golden rule of YouTube. But here's a thought, and it might sound totally backward at first. What if all that hustle, that grind, what if that's the exact reason you're not seeing any growth?
So stick with me, because in the next few minutes, we're going to break down why that more is more idea is just wrong for new channels. We'll get into what YouTube's algorithm is really looking for, and I'll give you a super simple strategy to fix a channel that's just stuck.
All right, let's get right into it. The daily upload myth. We're calling it the hustle that hurts because it feels so productive, but the results, well, they tell a completely different story. I mean, this story plays out all the time. A new creator gets started, they're fired up, they pour hours and hours into making videos, they hit that upload button every single day, they are the definition of consistent. And still, crickets. It's so frustrating. It's honestly soul-crushing. And this leads us to what you could call the silent killer of new channels. It's this completely bizarre reality where putting in more work and more uploads actually leads to less growth. You look at your dashboard and you just see nothing. A couple of views, and you're pretty sure half of them are from your mom. Your subscriber count, flat. The lines on the graph, just flat. The momentum you were hoping for just never shows up. And this is the truly terrifying part that most creators never figure out. It's not just that the daily uploads aren't helping. The more they upload, the deeper the hole they're digging, and YouTube never sends you a warning. This whole thing actually has a name. Silent death. See, your channel isn't getting punished or getting strikes. No, it's almost worse than that. The YouTube algorithm gets so confused about what your channel is, it just gives up on you. It decides to ignore you completely. So how does this even happen? How can you, with the best intentions in the world, completely and totally confuse the powerful YouTube algorithm? Well, it really just comes down to overwhelming the system. You have to make a big mental shift here. This is so crucial. YouTube does not see your late nights. It doesn't care about your hard work. It doesn't reward raw effort. It rewards understanding. It wants to understand who your channel is for. Think about the algorithm's job for a second. It's actually pretty simple. When you upload a new video, its first step is to collect some data on it. Then, step 2, it tests that video out on a small group of people. And based on how they react, its final job is to find the perfect, bigger audience that's gonna love it. And right there, that's where the daily upload strategy just shatters the whole process. Now, sure, for a huge news channel or a creator with a giant team, maybe it works. But for a new channel, before the algorithm can even finish testing your video from Monday, you've already thrown another one at it on Tuesday, and then another one on Wednesday. The result is just total chaos. The algorithm is left scratching its head, asking these really important questions, but it can't find any answers. Who is this channel even for? One day it's a cooking video, the next day it's a gaming video. What problem does this solve? There's no consistent theme for it to grab onto. And when it can't answer these questions, it just gives up. Okay, so if going faster is the problem, the solution, you guessed it, is to slow down. It's all about giving the algorithm the one thing it really needs from a new channel: time. Time to learn. So what's the sweet spot for a new channel? It's right here. 2 to 3 high-quality, focused videos a week. That's it. That's the pace. This gives the system enough time to actually do its job right. I mean, look at the difference here. It is just night and day. On one side, daily uploads, you get confusion, a broken testing process, and your channel gets ignored. On the other side, the slower pace, the algorithm actually learns. It gets to finish its testing, and it succeeds at finding your perfect audience. So why does slowing down work so well? Well, it really comes down to 3 key things. It gives YouTube enough time to actually understand what your content is about. It lets the algorithm run its full test on each video without getting interrupted. And most importantly, this helps the system find and lock on to your ideal long-term audience. And this brings us to the final, and honestly, the most important takeaway from all of this. We need to completely rethink what speed even means on YouTube. The real key to growth isn't how often you upload. The main point is this: more videos do not mean more growth. It's just not true. More clarity on who you are, what your channel's about, and who you're making videos for, that's what leads to growth. So if you remember just one thing from this explainer, please let it be this. Focus on making your channel's purpose crystal clear. Let every single video you make reinforce that one purpose. Because at the end of the day, YouTube rewards clarity, not speed. And that, my friends, is the real path to growth.